Hello guys. I hope everybody can hear me. I'm using a new microphone. Just got this in the mail. Is a configuration puzzle box from Hellraiser. So, oh, what is all that stuff? Oh, there it is. Oh, cool. Look at that. I don't know what's all this white stuff. Wow. I thought it was gonna come in like a cheap box, like a cardboard no design box, but wow, this thing is awesome. Look at that. What's this? Oh, hopefully I could remove that sticker. Wow, look at that. The box has so much detail. The box of the box. Look at that. So I just ordered this from Amazon. It cost about, oh, wow. Whoa, look at that. Is that awesome or what? Oh, it comes with the base. So you could display it. To that bad boy right there. Whoa. Well, even inside the box has designs. If you're a horror fan and you like to collect movie props and memorabilia, this is the way. I think this only costs $20 on Prime. Wow. Look at that. And it's heavy. This thing is heavy. Whoa. Look at that. It's a puzzle. I don't know if I should play with it and open the gates of hell. But look at that. It is heavy. I don't even know how this thing works. So there you have it. Is it worth it? Hell yeah, it's worth it. Look at this. This will go so cool with my other movie memorabilia. Amazon Prime. This thing is heavy. I mean, you could knock somebody out with this. This is not cheap plastic. Look at all the detail. So I'm going to take a couple of pictures for my Instagram. Please visit me or follow me on Instagram, Jesus Vega, Vega with double A on Instagram, and TikTok, the Vega Zone on TikTok. So showing you everything. It's supposed to open. I just don't know how to open it. It's really stiff. Oh, I felt movement. How can I get this to open? Should I do this? Oh, it looks. Look at that. That looks nice. It doesn't even have to open. It's supposed to open. You can see the design here where it's supposed to open. Let me just play it like this. Look at that thing. That thing is awesome. I need to figure out how to. I don't want to break it. Okay, but just follow me on TikTok and I'll do a video of it opening. It's so hard right now. Nope, it won't budge. Forcing it. Okay, so there you have it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing movie stuff, movie props, vlogs, and everything nice. There you go. There you have it. It's supposed to open, so maybe I'll make another video of it opening, or it opened already. So you have it. The configuration box Hellraiser movie prop from Amazon, $20. Comes with a base, is well made. The box is awesome. And yeah, please subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and Jesus Vega with double A on Instagram.